My name is Varun Vishnunath and I am currently the Associate Director at Pitchfork Partners. I've been here for the last 3 years, but to be honest, it actually feels like I just walked in yesterday because of the kind of work, the culture and the people who I'm working with. Pitchfork started 6 odd years ago, but in that time we have achieved a lot. We have grown our 6-member team to a 50-strong member team. We have been recognized by the peers that we have worked with in this industry. We might not be a large company in comparison, to be honest, in comparison to the kind of companies that I have personally worked with. But that only helps us give 110% to our clients, not only in City of Bombay and across the country, but also across the globe. We have roughly the same number of people in the top management as well as in the bottom. That not only helps our clients get the best advice, but also helps our juniors to get the best experience. Pitchfork is a great place to work for our interns as well. We get to learn the ropes and grow as a publicist. You might not believe what I have to say, but let's hear it from Ritanshi. She started her career with us as an intern 3 years ago.
Thanks, Varun. I started my professional journey as an intern at Pitchfork. I had recently relocated to Mumbai and Pitchfork soon became my second family. I remember waking up super charged to go to work because I knew that my day would involve lots of learning and enlightening conversations. What I value the most is the opportunity to be able to work with such senior colleagues so early on in my career. Over the last 3 years, I have fast-tracked and climbed up the ladder to a senior consultant. I have developed a diverse skill set, be it in social media management, digital PR, or even traditional comms for that matter. I believe that Pitchfork is a place for inquisitive minds. It's a place where you'd be given opportunity no matter what, and you'd be pushed to the best of your abilities. It's a place where you can even make mistakes here and there as long as you're learning. So yeah, I've had a wonderful ride so far. All my teammates, my colleagues, my superiors have always had my back. They've always been super supportive and encouraging. And I wish to make many more memories with my fellow Pitchforkers. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitanshi. We also have Riddhi, who has joined us from a much larger agency and has flourished in this niche environment.
Hi, this is Riddhi here. I started my journey with Pitchfork Partners a couple of years ago. All my professional goals and dreams for short term have come true here. Because Pitchfork is a mid-size agency, we get to do a lot of interesting work, much beyond traditional PR. This has helped us gain a better perspective. Also, we have numerous training sessions and workshops which are conducted both in-house as well as by external experts. This helps us understand the nuances of strategic communication, and we are encouraged to think in newer directions. The goal here is to help clients attain their business objectives and always provide unique solutions. Today, I have a team of my own and I'm learning to shoulder various new responsibilities. Working at Pitchfork has been rewarding and I look forward to wonderful times ahead.
You do Ashraf. Ashraf is one of the original team members who has joined Pitchfork 6 years ago. He has seen this company grow from a 6-member team to a 50-strong member team, and he has seen it all in between.
I was the first employee of Pitchfork, and that was just over 6 years ago. A lot has changed since then. The marketplace, our offerings, our clients, what clients expect of us. But what hasn't changed is our singular people focus. We were very clear when we launched that that's what we would be all about, and we've stuck to that. And we've evolved in that space. We've introduced a whole lot of people initiatives, including a heavy emphasis on skills development, and we intend to keep doing just that.
Thank you, Ashraf. As you have heard from my team members, the culture and environment at work is very important. With this perfect blend of fun and learning, Pitchfork is indeed a great place to work.